We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox on an external drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox desktop application on your computer. You'll need to make sure that your external drive is connected and recognized by your system. Then, click on your profile picture or initials in the bottom left of the Dropbox app to open the Settings menu. From there, go to Preferences and then click on the Sync tab. This is where you can manage where Dropbox files are stored. Click on the Change Location button next to the Dropbox folder location. A new window will pop up, allowing you to select the destination for your Dropbox folder. Navigate to your external drive and select it as the new location for your Dropbox folder. Confirm your selection and Dropbox will start moving the files to the external drive. This might take some time depending on how much data you have. Make sure the external drive stays connected during this process. It's important to note that if you disconnect the external drive, Dropbox will be unable to sync until it's reconnected. This is a great way to save space on your main drive while keeping your Dropbox files easily accessible. Just remember, every time you want to access Dropbox, you'll need to have your external drive connected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.